Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing, and if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos, and don't forget to turn on notification bell after subscribing so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make liquid soap. So if you want to know how to make liquid soap, either for business or for personal use, continue watching as I share with you how I came up with this. The raw materials we need for 10 liters of liquid soap and their measurements are 1.5 tablespoon caustic soda, half liter sulfonic acid, 1 tablespoon hexapon, 100 grams nitrosol, 6 tablespoons soda ash, 1 tablespoon SLS, 1 tablespoon STPP, fragrance as desired, water soluble color as desired, 8.5 liters of water. Here are basically the measurements and the raw materials for 10 liters of liquid soap. Caution: always be mindful of chemicals, which are the raw materials. Always put on hand gloves and nose mask. Keep away chemicals from children. Guys, take note of this. So let's delve into the preparation. The first step is to put 4 liters of water into an empty big bowl. Here is nitrosol, also known as thickener. I'll be dissolving it in water, so as I stir, it thickens. So it has thickened. Hope you guys are seeing it. So we'll be setting this aside. The next step is to put a sulfonic acid into an empty bowl, and I'm adding hexapon. Sulfonic acid and hexapon are foam boosters, and I'm adding the fragrance, also known as perfume, and I'll be stirring everything together, after which I'll be adding 3 liters of water. So after adding 3 liters of water, I'll be stirring. So I'll be stirring to blend very well. So this is a foam booster. So as I stir, the foam comes up. Hope you guys are seeing it. So make sure you stir till well blended. And I'll be adding this solution to the nitrosol solution, and I'll be stirring everything together till well blended. This is caustic soda. It was dissolved in 500 ml of water and was fermented for 24 hours. So make sure you ferment your caustic soda for 24 hours. Here is soda ash. It was also dissolved in 500 ml of water and was fermented for 24 hours. So please take note of that. So as I stir, the color of our foam changes. Hope you guys are seeing it. So here I have SLS, is a foam booster. I'll be dissolving it in 200 ml of water. So this is it. I'll be adding as well, and I'll be stirring. So make sure you stir at each addition of your raw materials. Here is STPP. I'll be stirring in 200 ml of water. So this is it. I'm adding as well, and I stir. Here is my colorant. This is green color. I'll be stirring in or dissolving in 100 ml of water. So I stir as well. So make sure you stir very, very well at each addition of the raw materials, please. Very, very, very important. That's the secret to a quality liquid soap. So don't mind the foam. We are going to see our liquid soap proper. This is a very, very high quality liquid soap we are producing. So we're going to leave it, to get our liquid soap proper. We're going to leave for like hours to 24 hours, for some hours to 24 hours. So this is the liquid soap proper. So we'll be scooping it into our container. So if you want to produce 20 liters of liquid soap, just multiply the measurement of the ingredients by 2 to get the measurement for producing 20 liters of liquid soap. So this is highly profitable if you want to venture into liquid soap business. This is a daily need items which is used on a daily basis. So there are already markets for this type of business. You can supply to hospitals, schools, banks. Virtually all organizations need liquid soap. And if you want to produce for personal use, this will save you a whole lot of money. So this can be used for cleaning purposes. Can be used to cleaning your houses, do your laundry, wash your dishes, and so many other things. So remember to ferment your caustic soda and your soda ash for 24 hours before use. Please take note of this. So guys, this is our liquid soap. So we've produced a quality liquid soap. This is a quality liquid soap. Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye bye.